Hey guys, what's going on? We are working on a bathroom kind of remodel install. This bathroom has always been here. The plumbing has been here. The toilet has been here, but that's kind of about it. The pedestal that the toilet's sitting on has been here. When we first started, the toilet was about 30 degrees this way, facing like this, to the point where if you were going to use it, you couldn't shut the doors because your knees would hit it. Because when they installed the toilet flange, I guess they didn't know what they were doing, and they glued it in with the cutouts for the studs the wrong way. So we have the toilet temporarily plumbed up, because if you see way back there, that's where the original plumb, or the final plumbing is going to come in, but we had to put the floor down first, and it ties in back there. So far we built the pedestal up, or the pedestal wasn't all the way, it had like 3 different layers on it, more or less. And the floor that you're looking at, what is that stuff called? Drawing a blank. It's the zip flooring, or the zip sheathing. We built it up right there, and then we put the zip on. Now, to the fun part, I got the wiring kind of roughed in to put the light in. And first we had to put the floor down. Then we have to put the walls up, and this is all, so far we spent $0. As you can see, the 2x4s are covered in concrete because they were forms from a concrete job. The flooring is going to be hickory hardwood, and actually we already have this flooring left over. And then the walls is going to be pretty cool because we're just going to use old scrap wood and just kind of stack it every which way. We might do some tile inlay as well. So stay tuned. Quick update. We have the hardwood down just to right there because we've ran out of hardwood. So we're looking to tile under where the toilet is. And I know you're not supposed to put tile directly on subfloor. That's 3 layers of a Vantech. And I don't want to put hardy backer down, mainly because of the toilet flange and some issues with that. So against everything that you're not supposed to do, may put tile directly on subfloor. I'm going to look a little bit more into it. I might not even grout the lines. I might just use caulk. So I'm going to look more into that. I might end up putting hardy backer down or a membrane down. I don't know. It's such a small space. It's really solid. They make some like reinforced fiberglass like sheathing. It's like flexible and thin, and you put it on and you put an adhesive on it. So I might look into that, but I don't know. I'm trying to do it cheap. Now we're moving on to the walls. First I was going to do like a beadboard. Then I looked at doing just a regular luan. But even with that, you're looking at, you know, 75 bucks for the cheapest, and then you got to paint. So what we're going to do, and we don't know how this is going to turn out, me and Sir Alex just kind of looked and seen that we had a ton of scrap wood, different colors, different shapes. So what we're going to do is kind of a upcycled mix match wall. I don't know. It might turn out looking awesome. We've laid some out on the floor and it looked pretty cool, or it might turn out looking horrible. So who cares, you know? If it looks horrible, then we'll just deal with it. We seriously have not used this bathroom in its eternity, since it's been here, since it's existent. Hopefully you can see all this. We're about a little over halfway through with this wall. This is the big main wall. We have quite a few of tile inlays. That one up there is not permanent. That's ceramic tile. That one's ceramic tile, and then this right here is ceramic tile. So I think it's turned out pretty nice. Quick update. As you can see, the sink is in, not plumbed yet, it's in. That wall's about level. And then up here, hopefully you can see, let me see if I can get some light. We just went ahead and put metal roofing right there. Made it really quick and easy. We're almost to the stopping point's about 1.5 inches below that, where we're going to put the drop ceiling. There's me. Down here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to close that in, and then I'm going to just access all this from the back. But I want to get the sink plumb first. Got the switch in, and then got medicine cabinet. We like the back wall, which I thought for a while about leaving this part open, just the exposed block. I don't know if I'm going to do that yet or not. And then the dreaded floor down here. Like I said in the past, earlier, I'm thinking about putting tile down without the backer board, but I was thinking more last night. It doesn't really matter because there's not going to be any weight on that tile, so it's not going to crack anyways. It's going to be kind of loose later, maybe glued down. I think that'll work. So that's just a lot of cutting tile, and now we're just working on getting this all the way up to the ceiling level, and then we'll work on the back maybe tomorrow. This will be an update and the end of part 1. All the walls except for one are finished. As you can see, the floor is all the way finished except for right there beside the toilet, and the wall behind there isn't finished yet. We put metal up right here. That saved a lot of time. We finished the trim out right there. I got one more piece of trim to put right there and trim to put up there. I hope you didn't get blinded by the light. But here's you can see yourself. There's the bathroom, or the sink. I got it all plumbed. I still have to put something right there. Let me get you set up here. Still have to put something in here, like a door, or I might just close it off because it can be accessed from the back end. I gotta do wiring, and I gotta do the drop ceiling. So far, I have spent $24, $25, and that was just on this. Everything else has been stuff I've had, or stuff that I've recycled, or stuff people have been throwing out. So this is the end of part 1. If you like stuff like this, if you want to hit the subscribe button, it's down there. As always, thanks for watching.